fun in the sun, a picnic and barbecue. Hey everyone! Today, we're stepping out into the great outdoors for a day filled with sunshine, delicious food, and some epic games. That's right, it's picnic and BBQ time. We've got all our favorite picnic essentials ready to go. But before we dive into the food, let's get the games started. Sandwiches, salads, fruits. There's something about eating outdoors that just makes everything taste better. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, digging into this feast. It's time to fire up the grill. Remember, it's not just about the food or the games, it's about the memories we make together. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun-filled vlogs.